Hey gang, it's Brad from ChurchWP.net here with another tutorial to teach you how to use the share from or add from server plugin. We're excited to kind of show you this. It's a feature that can help you get the free DreamHost account, and so I want to give you a brief intro to it. First thing you need to realize about this app is that you need to use a FTP server software in order to make that happen. I personally like FileZilla, and what you need to do is you need to connect it so that it can get connected to your host. And once you do, it's pretty simple for you literally to drag files from here on the left side over to the right side, and you can be done. So you need to add the files from the FTP rather than through WordPress, because some of the free accounts, like DreamHost, only offer a 700 megabyte as their top size file that they can increase, and most sermon audio files are bigger than that. So we're going to show you how to actually use the app and bring in the larger files that you've just uploaded through FileZilla or another file app to do that. So let's bring you to my web browser here, and we will show you exactly how to do that. So I have my logged into my WordPress dashboard and am logged in there. If you haven't done so already, you should add the new one and click Add from Server, and it should pop up right there. You can see I have it installed. If you haven't, you click on Install and Activate, and you should be all set to go. Once that's done, it really is easy to add these sermon files to it. All you need to do is click on the media file here on your left side of your dashboard, and you'll notice that there's three options now. Typically, you just get the library and add new, but now you also have add from server. And when you do that, it brings up kind of an FTP style format, and you can click on it and find your folder. You can go backwards by clicking on the parent folder. You'll notice it there. But where I install all my sermon files is in the WP content, and I do that because a lot of the sermon plugins, like the one used in this theme, I'm using the Resurrect theme, and the Church Themes plugin, require you to have your sermons in the content area and in the media library in order to make that happen. That's why this file is kind of necessary. So I have it in the WP content, and then click on Uploads, and you'll notice that there are plenty of files. You can usually have it set by date. If you want to click there in 2004, you can see all the files I've added there, but I store them in the audio file. So I've uploaded some MP3 files here. You can see them, and if these are ones that I need to add into my media library, they can't be done because they're greater than the 7 megabyte that I have as my hosting top files that I can upload through my media library directly. And so you can see that they're here. So it's just click the files that you want to add. I'll click all of them and click the blue import file down there, and you'll notice that it's all been added. If you click one and it's already been added, they'll actually tell you, which is kind of nice and not do two. And now what you can see is if you click on the library, here they are. They weren't there before, but they are now, and you can also click on the audio tab here. Once you're there, it's pretty easy for you to come in here and add sermons and get all the functions. So that's a brief intro on how to use the Add from Server app, and a way for you to be able to use free hosting like the DreamHost that we recommend, but also to be able to host your own sermon audio files on your website. Hope it's helpful, and definitely check out more information at ChurchWP.net for everything you need from Church WordPress resources, plugins, and more. Thanks.